GFOX. This one was brought to us over here by Channel Trader on investorshangout.com/live, is where you guys always go to tell us about the hot stocks early before anybody else knows about it. So we're taking a look at them and seeing if it's a potential hot stock. They have the potential to become the next big thing. Currently, GFOX is traded at 0006. I don't know what's going on here, Channel Trader. If you are still here, I definitely would appreciate if you can add anything to this. Is there something going on that we might not know about? Any rumors or stuff like that? We definitely appreciate any input, and I'll keep an eye out for your response while I'm going through this chart. That being said, right now, again, 0006. The one thing that I'm going to right out of the gate tell you, what me personally, what I'm liking off of this chart is the fact that if we look over here, the last time that this thing hit 0007 is going to be way back here. That's back in August of last year. August 15th to be exact. It's going to be the last time that this stock hit 0007, and it hit 0007 today. That right there should set off a few alarm bells on many levels. So different people that do scan for these stocks, knowing that you got a big spread between that. No one really pays attention to if a stock's at 0007 and just keeps walking down, they just forget about it. But if a stock's going sideways for so long, like this, and that heartbeat starts coming back, it's going to set off those radars. So you're definitely going to want to keep an eye on this one. Like I said, I can't add too much to this besides a few different support levels and resistance levels with these 0006 stocks or 0005 stocks, stuff like that. It's kind of hard to really nail down exactly where all those levels are going to be because of the fact that these stocks, the support and resistance levels really fluctuate between there. Okay, so when you're in the triples, it's usually like every 1 or 2 steps. But as far as support, you guys are down there at bottom. It's just the last few days of volume starting to really pick up. Yesterday was going to be 3.06 million shares traded, and today, early in the trading days, you are already well over that. You're already at 3.52. Like I said a few minutes ago in the beginning, Channel Trader that brought us this stock says waiting on company filings. So waiting on that. Everybody's getting anxious. Interest starting to build up. 0006. We're gonna watch for more frequency of the 0007s. If you're watching this one and you were able to snag some 0005s, I'd feel pretty good on that. My personal opinion. Because off of that you're coming up. So if you can snag up 0005s, that's gonna put you in the bottom level of this one because I don't think it's gonna be touching 0004s again. My personal opinion, that is. These guys are really lucky back here in the 0003s. That being said, I'm going to hand the mic over to Joe, and he's going to tell us everything that he knows.
Yeah, everything. All right, so their last press release is on May 19th, 2016, and that was Fox Holdings Corp announces that they are in the final stages of negotiations with Graffiti Junction. That is a corporate location. All right, so that was that right there, and then their pink limited information right now. So I'm going to read a business description of it. I went over to their website, the Fox Holdings Incorporated, or holdings.com, and it brought me to their this actual company, Graffiti Junction, and with the pictures of the actual locations. So I'll read a business description, and like you just talked about, obviously they're waiting for the filings and everything else because it's pink limited, so we don't really know what this company is generating for revenue yet. But business description is Gray Fox Petroleum Corp is a publicly traded holding company focused on the acquisition and revenue generating subsidiaries to increase company revenues and shareholder value. Through the acquisition of DB Capital Corporation, Gray Fox Petroleum Corp now has ownership in 2 Graffiti Junction restaurants in Central Florida. The company is focused on building out this brand and expanding the reach of Graffiti Junction locations over the next 12 to 18 months through its own franchises. Gray Fox Petroleum Corp will also be looking for additional revenue-generating opportunities that will add more revenue streams to the business. These will include and are not limited to hospitality ventures, real estate ventures, green efficient companies, and many others. And that is that. So, like I said, that the website is www.grayfoxholdings.com. And then, I mean, when it comes to the filings, I mean, they're pink limited right now. So
Right on.
they did, that's pretty much that. They
Yeah.
need to get up to date on that. And then, as always, if you have an opinion on it, just go right over to the GFOX stock message board over there. From there, you can look at the company profile, recent news, filings, financials, buy ratings, the time and sales. And if you have an opinion, just click on that message board and share it with the, all these other members that are coming over and using the site daily.
Awesome. 0006, watch interest is building here. Watch for 0007s to keep hitting. Resistance at 0010. 13, support at 0006. Waiting for company filings and starting to move. So again, GFOX, if you follow the stock, make sure you click subscribe. We'd definitely appreciate that right now. And that like button, if you think you've learned anything from this video, we would appreciate that very much. If you have another stock besides this one that you're watching that you would like to share with us, head over to investorshangout.com/live and let us know there. We'll be sure to take your hot stock and add it to the list of next videos.